Welcome back to the channel. This is a quick update here. Working on the project Jeep for Beast Wars. And we actually have it sitting on coils. Working on getting my links made up, which are all over here. Gotta get them cut to length and made up. These are actually the links for the front. Just kind of got them in place. See, I got to move the lower link over there. It needs to be moved in towards the pumpkin a little bit to get the line correct. And this is what I'm kind of fiddling around with right here as an idea. That I believe the drive shaft is going to be way too long. And I don't want it hanging down and dragging on stuff. So that is the original drive shaft cut down. And then I bought a set of F250 drive shafts off of Marketplace for 50 bucks. And I cut the stub shaft off the mid shaft, turned it down to fit into a piece of 2.5-inch tube, welded it up at the shop today, put the carrier bearing back on, and that flange you see there is, I guess I come over here, that is a Dana 60 pinion flange, which just so happens to fit the stub shaft. The only issue I have with it is the OD, the part that presses into the bearing, is just a little bit too big, so I don't have it on all the way. Just got it on enough there to kind of get an idea of things. And then out here, I've got drive shafts that I bought. You can see they're well used. Now this is the front drive shaft for an F250. And this bolts to the transfer case. And this obviously bolted to the front axle. Now what I'm going to do is, this is the rear drive shaft. Take this flange off, put it here, take a big chunk out of the middle. And this is about where I've got the cut in order to put this piece up here. So everything's preliminary. That's the original mid shaft there that I cut down earlier. But that's what we're working on right now. I don't know if it's the best idea or the right idea, but it's my idea. So I'm going to give it a shot, see how it works. But this out with the garage. Thanks for watching. We'll have a longer video coming up this weekend, and we'll see you then.